Okay, guys, I'm going to be playing Karate Cats.
Play Karate Cat. Welcome, apprentice. I am Sensei, the first of the Karate Cat. Sound off, sound off.
Well, the thing is, this is all I done. I want to Google actually.
Resume, acts, and I will be your teacher. Skis. Play. Orange belt. Choose a level. White belt.
Complete the sentence.
Macy loves wearing a
Wham!
Complete the sentence.
Seema's pet is called Pet.
Boom!
Peach.
Choose the correct spelling.
Abby was scared when the lights went out. Abby was scared when the lights went out.
Kapow! Choose the correct punctuation mark.
He saw the surfer and in the water.
Wham! Pause. That was an awesome round. Wow. Return to dojo.
It's not a question mark.
Oh, I was just... Never mind. Welcome back, apprentice. The smell of fresh treats. Resist the urge to eat your treats and swap them for new stuff to upgrade your dojo. Karate Cats will only join you if they are impressed. Press that button to swap your treats for new stuff. Choose an item to upgrade. Splendid selection. Karate Kittens. Play. Challenge mode. Back. Karate Cats. Play. Start new game. Welcome, apprentice. I am Sensei. Play. Choose a level. Free play mode. Earn your white belt to unlock free play mode.
Complete the sentence.
Steak eats banana.
Boom! Choose the correct spelling.
Gabby's wearing a fluffy jumper. Gabby's wearing a fluffy jumper.
Gabriella.
Kapow!
Gabriella.
Choose the correct spelling.
This girl likes to eat apples.
Not girl or girl.
This girl likes to eat apples.
This girl likes to eat cute, nice apples.
Wham!
I don't know why I said cute. Yes,
Where does the question mark go? Boom! That was an awesome round. Wow! Return to dojo. Welcome back, apprentice. Pause. Resume.
So This is has to gonna be kinetic letters. Kinetic letters. Kinetic letters. Kinetic letters is on the next page. What? Okay, good! Because I'm filming a YouTube video right now on my Sapan Bashir YouTube channel. Oh man. Oh my god. We gotta stay focused.
Resume.
Let's see my videos, by the way. Like and sub and comment down below for face reveal. This is my face. I'm gonna do videos like these. Yeah, they are definitely entering. I don't know what to say. Right, should we see if we get more subs? See live count. Okay. There. Give me a minute, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like and sub.